Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and in this video I'll show you how to switch off the Google Pixel 10a. There is a couple of ways of doing this. If you have any questions, if you'd like to know more, please do leave us a comment in the section below. We'll do our best to get back to you. Anyway, first things first, to switch off the Google Pixel 10a, you have to ensure it's on first. So screen on, this looks pretty clear. So the way you do this in software without pressing buttons is to pull down your notification shade, pull it down again, and in the bottom right you have a power button. Tap that and you will be given options to make emergency calls, lock down your phone, to power it off, or restart your phone. In this case I'm going to tap restart. I am switching the device off, but the reason I'm doing that is because once I've restarted the phone, I'll show you another slightly different way of actually switching the Google Pixel 10a off or on. So Google Pixel 10a is currently restarting. I've got the Google logo on screen. I have to say, so far I'm really enjoying the Google Pixel 10a. I understand some people were frustrated it wasn't much of an upgrade from the 9a, but in my experience it's a really good phone and there's nothing to complain about. In terms of performance, it's really good, battery life is excellent, and overall it's a great Pixel A series device in my view. Right, so I've switched the device on. I'm going to unlock it. And once I've unlocked it, it means the phone is on. And another way to switch the Google Pixel 10a off is to use buttons. Now, long gone are the days where you could just long press the power button to switch off a phone. In this case, you need to, at the same time, press the power button and the volume up button. And that will give you the same power menu to switch off your phone. And then click power off to shut down your phone and power it off. So there you go. I've shown you the two main ways, or the two simplest ways to switch your Google Pixel 10a off. As I said earlier, if you have any questions, if you'd like to know more, leave us a comment in the section below and we'll do our best to get back to you. And as usual, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.